Imagine you want to book a cab. You open the Uber app, but it shows you location of the cabs from 30 minutes ago. What good would it be? Will you be able to book the cab? I hope with this example you understand how important it is for Uber to have live location of all the driver and all the passengers in the world. And how do they do it? The answer lies in just one word: Kafka. Hello and welcome. My name is Dipanshu and I am a data engineer with Google. Today, I'm going to talk about Kafka and I'm going to talk about one of the projects from ProjectPro.io. ProjectPro is one of the amazing websites which has a collection of 250 plus such projects which are taught by industry experts. This is one of the projects on Kafka from the collection of Kafka projects on the website. And in this project, we learn about building a real-time data pipeline with Kafka. The project begins with instructor telling you about the traditional data warehousing concepts for you to understand the basics better, and then quickly jump toward the real-time data warehousing and its benefits. Because today, modern day data application users expect a real-time experience, then in this direction, they move towards Kafka. You will learn a lot more in the project which I've linked in the description, but on a high level, Kafka is an open source, distributed, event-driven real-time message streaming platform. By open source, I mean it's publicly accessible and anyone can see and modify the code. By distributed, it means that it doesn't rely on one single machine. And as it has a really high throughput that it can even process trillions of events in a day, it becomes real-time. By event-driven, it means that unlike traditional databases dealing with things, in Kafka, we deal with events or record of something that happened. An event has a key, value, and a timestamp associated with it, with optional metadata headers. Being highly scalable and fault-tolerant also allows Kafka to be deployed for applications like Uber for managing passenger and driver matching, or providing real-time analytics for movie recommendation on Netflix. Coming back to the project, after understanding the meaning of real-time data warehousing, what Kafka is, and its different capabilities like data storage, microservices hub, and replay capabilities, etc., and comparing it to traditional warehousing systems, we quickly jump towards the most important part: writing the code. And the coding path starts with instructor helping you understand and write code for the 4 APIs of Kafka, which is consumer, producer, stream, and connect. For learning it all, you will use a very famous and very interesting dataset of movies data. Here, you begin with creating producer simulators and then start with writing brokers, with and without Zookeeper, and then quickly move to creating topics for movies and ratings data coming from different files. These will then be used by Kafka streams to transform the data and join it together in real time. And this is just an example to teach you. You can do a lot more than this, trust me. The results of this are then consumed by consumer APIs, which can be connected to any user application to show the output. So this was just a very high level overview. Apart from all of this, you learn in much more detail about different Kafka functionalities and how to write code about them, how to create a topic, what are partitions and what is retention logic that you can put in those, right? And we also talk about different log compaction techniques, how the change log works and what brokers are, and many more such things. All the code and the repo is available for all of you to use, and in your daily life, in your projects that you will make on top of this, or in your company as well, if you will work on Kafka. Hit that like button if you learned something today, and consider subscribing to ProjectPro's channel. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. Keep hustling, keep growing. Thank you.